wave. I am the wave. The love child of water and wind, sun and moon. I move energy, nutrients, life. I move you. I've captured your imagination since the beginning of time. You honor me. You chase me. I am a symbol of something wild that exists in you. But lately, it's I who feel wild. Choked by your trash, overheated by your pollution. It makes me sick. Makes me lash out. Don't you know I can decimate you? What do you think I can do to your currents, your coastlines, your climate? My requirements are simple. Stop stripping the forests that keep my water clean. Stop filling the atmosphere with dead carbon. And keep your plastic to yourself. Work with me now, before it is too late. I'll keep coming. I am the wave.